find the domain of this function, we are just going to be using one rule, and that's the division rule for domains. Anytime you're dividing by something, you're not allowed to let that thing be 0. So we're dividing here by an x squared plus 1, so that can't equal 0. But we're also dividing by e to the 1 over x squared plus 1. So we have to look at each one of these. This cannot equal 0. Now we're in luck here because this means that x squared cannot equal -1. And x squared never is -1. Because anytime you square a number, you only get non-negative numbers. So that gives us no rules. So our domain for that would be -infinity to infinity for that rule. Okay, then here, we again are in luck because we've got e raised to something that cannot equal 0. But remember that exponentials are never equal to 0. They have a horizontal asymptote in their graph. Let's look at that real quick. If we have an exponential, it looks like that. It never touches y equals 0. So this never happens. We don't have this ever equal to 0. So e to the 1 over x squared plus 1 is always not equal to 0. And so our domain for that is also -infinity to infinity. And so obviously the overlap for these is all real numbers, -infinity to infinity. So our domain is -infinity to infinity.